Welcome back to Rach Bennett. I'm really excited to share some travel adventures with you. We've been dying to hit the road, and it is finally time. The trip is here. It is time to pack. So I'm going to be showing you everything that I am packing for our international trip.
This is yours, this is mine, but Wyatt is messing it up. There we go.
Okay, so we have our international plugs that can do like most countries, which is awesome. A power bank, another extra plug. I have my headphones. Dad's got car ones. All right, so I make Jace take some extra toiletries that we share, like the toothpaste, sometimes even like the body wash or anything like that that we share. I make him take it so that I have room for all of my toiletries here. But for going international, I make sure I have everything in here. This is all hair and face. I'm bringing sunscreen, especially because of my scars. I wanna make sure I'm sunscreening up. I'm bringing all of my Senegents in here. Oh my goodness, there's so many things to get done before we go. I just got this bag from Amazon, and they are microfiber face wash towels. So I'm gonna shove one of those in there so I don't have to bring makeup removers. It's time to pack for the international trip. So I chose out this outfit. These joggers are gonna be super comfy. And I have a second pair of joggers. These ones are a little bit more slick material, kind of like actual like thin jogger workout pants, but they look really professional, so I can wear these somewhere nice. I have big flowy pants, which I love. They are super comfortable, as well as can be thin if I wanna wear it, but helps when it's a little breezy. And then I'm bringing a pair of shorts because we will be doing some hiking areas, and I'm gonna need some shorts there. So I only have these three, and then the fourth one that I'm wearing. And here are my shirts. I've got my Ohana shirt, and then three solid color shirts. I have found this awesome sun hat, which is cool. It scrunches up, folds up, and it even has like a little rubber band, which keeps it all together. So that's gonna go in my bag. I have my toiletries, my makeup. I am packing my microfiber towels, which are good for face, but also for hair. So I have two in here, which I'm gonna pack. Of course, I need swimsuits. So I have this super darling two-piece from Rad Swim. I love it because it has the tropical flowers and a high waist, but it's reversible. So like stripes and the pattern, as well as a one piece. This one is so cute. And some shorts. Now let's talk about shoes. Shoes are the bane of my existence when we travel. I'm always like trying to figure out the right pair of shoes. So I usually will wear my bulkiest pair of shoes. So I'm bringing tennis shoes that are great for walking all day, hiking, really versatile. These are ones that Jace got for me in China. So I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane. And then I'm trying to debate between a open heel sandal and a heeled sandal because we will be hiking kind of all around. But I'm gonna bring one pair of sandals. It's packing time. Let's get all of this stuff in my bag. I've got my pants, my pile of shirts, swimsuits, a sun hat, two easy slip-on shoes, my makeup bag, and then this is I'm gonna show you what's inside this bag in a second. This has my towels. I have extra Ziplocs, mints, of course, my flossers. Now, one of my favorite tips about traveling is to bring extra Ziplocs. I cannot tell you how super useful they are out and about. So I bring Ziplocs for maybe like if I've got to shove some extra medicine in my purse, my purse that I'm taking around town, and I don't have a pocket for it, so I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc so it doesn't get lost. Or I grab a Ziploc so I can divide snacks, or if I buy like a big snack and I want to take just a smaller amount, I bring those for that as well. When we travel with the children, which this time we're not, but when we travel with the children, I bring a lot of Ziplocs, all sorts of sizes, like quart size, sandwich, and then the snack sizes, so that I can devise snacks, activities, writing things, entertainment, hair supplies, scrunchies, to like medicine, to all sorts of things. So Ziplocs are really, really, really essential. And especially when you're leaving, you may not know like, oh, I bought this thing, it's super awesome, but what if that thing is a liquid form or a snack that might explode in your bag? So it's great to have Ziplocs so you don't have to go to the store while on vacation and buy them, so that you can pack everything into your bag when it's time to go. All right, I am packing and making sure I have all the essentials covered. So I like to pack in this bag basically all of my vitamins, medicine, like my drink packets. These are called Heart and Hydration. They're from Truvy, which is like a health and wellness company. I love them because I drink so much more water when it's a little bit flavored, and what I love is it doesn't have sugar. They are sweetened by stevia. So I am packing a bunch. I am bringing my water bottle so I can have that. But I also have packed like a bag of vitamins that'll go in here. I had a gallbladder surgery last year, and so I have to take a special, basically digestive and gut medicine. So I have a lot of my health and wellness vitamins in here. I do pack a small bottle, and this is a just in case. I always keep this in my bag. Extra strength Tylenol, Advil, and ibuprofen. I tend to get, like, if I have a really long day of flying, which this international trip, I think we're gonna be flying or traveling for 30 hours. So sometimes you don't get enough sleep, or like the air going up in the plane so many times, it gives me headaches. So I just like to prep some like just basic medicine, nothing crazy, so that I'm ready for that. Now, because we are going international, I am bringing Airborne so we don't catch anything on the plane. So I'm bringing Airborne as well as some Band-Aids. These are great for blisters if any of your shoes are causing blisters. So I'm bringing a little tiny pack of Band-Aids. And for Jace, I like to pack some eye drops. So this is what's gonna be going into my magic medicine bag. What I love about our backpacks is there's so many pockets, so I can put some of those in there for easy use if I wanna grab them. So I actually do grab a couple of my hydration packets and I put them in my carry-on bag. The bag pocket, that's gonna be easy to get to. All right, let's load these up. This is my carry-on. I will take this bag, only use this bag for a trip under 5 days, like a weekend trip or something, because it can fit like 3 full outfits, as well as, you know, like my toiletries and all of my necessities. So there are a lot of side pockets here. So that's where I'm gonna be putting my medicine. So I have my Tylenol going in here. My Airborne and my Band-Aids are gonna go in another little pouch over here. Eye drops as well will go in there. All right, it's time to load more of my bag. So I have my toiletries in here. I like to have it on my bag that I'm gonna open in case they want to put the toiletries in security. Then I have my really good comfy headphones. We got a long flight. Now this bag is more electronic. So I have my international plugs, a power bank, as well as a plug for the power bank and a charger to plug into. That's gonna go into here. This bag has pens, some just easy to grab items. So pens, bobby pins, rubber bands, a hair clip, and some more hydration packets. Socks for the plane. Obviously, we need that. This is my all-time favorite travel bag, and it actually might be coming out on the ohanaventure.com. So this is fantastic. It can do one long strap, or it has the backpack option in back, which I love. And in this bag would be all my personal, like wallet, passport. I keep it on me. This is my body one. But because we're going through the airport and I want to condense as much as possible, I'm gonna pack that inside this bag, and I am packing light so that I can buy things and come home. So I'm making sure that my bags for our international flight have some extra pouches or area somewhere in the bag. I'm not packing it full so that I can make sure I bring home lots of goodies for the kids or souvenirs or things that we want to purchase there. And I am always also packing an extra duffel bag. I tend to buy junk on at the airport or places that we are. So if I prepare and I have healthy snacks in my luggage or already, then I will be prepared to not eat the crap. So I love Go-Go Squeeze or applesauce, but a lot of airports make you pull the food out. So I'm gonna put this one inside my top bag, or actually I might pack it in an extra like Walmart bag. So I have those kinds of snacks. I also have dried fruit. This is mango, peaches, and coconut cream. I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't have like the dairy dried fruit. So I'm gonna have this or the freeze-dried yogurt bites. And then I do need something a little bit salty, and I'm going to bring some extra snack bags as well as a bigger Ziploc to fit this when we're done eating it. I'm gonna put this all in my Walmart bag, and this will just go straight on the plane with me as I check in, because they always make you pull out snacks now. I don't know why, but snacks always flag my bags. So I always try to pack them separate, and then I'll put it into my roll-on once we get past through security. What I love to pack always is these mini planners. This is the daily planner from Erin Condren. It's broken up into 3 months. So this is April, May, and June, and I like it because I can write notes if I have thoughts for like upcoming things. A lot of times Jason and I, like when we go on a trip, we do a lot of planning and it's really good to refresh, as they say, sharpen the saw, so I can come back to like work and home and mommyhood or whatever and be like awesome. So I like to bring a notebook to put notes in there. Of course, I'm bringing my Ohana Means Family jewelry. I got my pillar bar here, and I got this necklace, and I have a cute little necklace holder for that, and masks. Not forget the masks. My mask on the side here. I have my socks, toiletries, speaker. In here I have some more masks. I have like feminine products if needed. I love this zipper pouch. I got my notebook, all my electronics, my plugs, a light if I need to. My sunglasses are right there. It literally fits everything. Now again, I am packing like small and light so that I can fit more in. This is my travel purse that's gonna be used while I'm out and about, so I've got that. I have my necklace I'm gonna put into a special pouch. This bag I'm going to put into here, as well as my roll-on of our snacks, but I'm not gonna pack it because they always make you pull it out at the airport. But look at this. Loaded and super light. Not packed really heavy. What I love about these bags, got my laptop in here. Nice and slick. And lots of room for anything else actually, so I can pack and grab some more goodies and treats while we travel internationally. But this is actually just gonna go right in there. And this is still considered a carry-on. I love the pneumatic bags. And we are ready to hit the road. If you haven't watched my how I prepare for an international trip with the kids and leaving the kids behind, make sure you guys go and watch that. But we got lots of more travels and fun things to go. If you haven't subscribed to Rach Bennett, do it right now. And go and subscribe to the Ohana Adventure Travels channel, which is just the Ohana Adventures. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.